The battery in your Ramblegard is not designed to last forever. This is called fail-safe technology. It's designed to keep your pad in optimum condition, and the net result is your patients are kept safer. So the battery on the Ramblegard is switched to the off position when it's shipped out to you, and when it's switched on, it starts a 15-month battery life timer. So it's absolutely imperative that the start date is completed on the pad before you put it into use. Make sure you order your replacement battery transmitter unit before the 15-month expires. And one tip is, do not ever open these and replace the battery inside separately, because this invalidates the warranty and it will stop the timer from working. So if your pad has stopped working, the first thing to check is always the battery. But if you stick to the 15-month life cycle, you'll never run out again.